3Commas versus Pionex. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which crypto trading bot is the better option for your portfolio. So make sure to like and subscribe. So let's start with 3Commas. This platform offers advanced trading bots with strategies like DCA or dollar cost averaging, greed, and smart trading terminals. It integrates with most major exchanges including Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase Pro. Pionex, on the other hand, is a crypto exchange that comes with free built-in tools or bots, including grid trading, arbitrage, and spot future bots directly in the platform. So let's compare their ease of use. Pionex is more beginner friendly. You can just pick a bot, set parameters, and let it run. While 3Commas gives you more customization, but also requires more setup and trading knowledge. Next is their features. 3Commas has more advanced features like paper trading, portfolio tracking, trailing take profit, and a mobile app dashboard. While Pionex focuses on execution speed and simplicity with fewer features but quicker deployment. Next is their supported exchanges. Pionex is a standalone exchange, so you can trade directly on its platform, while 3Commas connects to over 15 exchanges, giving you flexibility if you already use another one. Lastly is their pricing. Pionex bots are free to use, with no extra charges beyond trading fees. And 3Commas has a free tier, but serious traders will likely need a pro plan starting at around 49 USD a month. So for final verdict, you can choose Pionex if you want free, beginner-friendly bots with a single platform, and you can go with 3Commas if you need advanced strategies, custom setups, and access to multiple exchanges. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.